Everyone, good morning. It's Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. For you, this is day 2 of the power hour. For me, it's just a few minutes after I filmed the last power hour. So if you haven't seen my previous video, I'll put a link above for you guys. Go and check out that first because everything in this one will make a lot more sense. If you have seen it, you know that I need to tackle the rest of the kitchen. Let me show you what I plan to tackle. I want to clear out this unit, clean the fridge and sort that out. So let's go. Keep this, even though I'm going to get rid of the tops because they're all, look, all rusted and I haven't used it in ages. But I think this could potentially make a nice flower arrangement in this. So I'm going to keep those for sure. Okay, so up there I just have stuff that I usually need in the fridge, but not always, so but it's nice and handy there. All of this stuff is going to go with all my organising boxes. I don't think I need them for a while. I need to put away that party wear as well. So that's on that side. On this side, this stuff is going to go just under here, right at the back. I have molds as well, so I'm going to put those in there. That's all for recycling. I no longer need them. That I've got to find a place for that. That's all for the bin. And then this I'm going to take to the thrift shop. I don't know if you guys noticed, but yesterday I started getting rid. There's some stuff on the floor. Well, it's yesterday for you guys, today for me, but there's a couple of trays there that I'm going to get rid of, and another few bits and bobs, so I'm going to add that to it. I've washed these things. This, in case you guys don't know, I don't think I'll ever get rid of it, but it's basically, that one's broken, Alex did that, let me show you. It's a spice rack, believe it or not. Look, and they're flower shaped. Get those like that. I bought that in Italy, so I'll never get rid of that. I gave this a quick wash, and I'm going to put some disinfecting tablets in these bottles. They've been in storage for a little while. Give them a good clean. Okay guys, so another power hour come to an end, and let me show you how much I've achieved. This is looking a lot tidier. I did a sort through those and got rid of anything I didn't want. Cleaned the radiator there. That radiator, by the way, is never on. Cleaned the bin. The fridge is looking alright. Having a bit of juice there. Cleaned the cooker and the sink. Cleaned in there and mopped the whole floor. But guys, I cannot believe this. I broke my mop. Look. Gutted. So I've put all the rags that I used to clean up the kitchen in here with a tablet, disinfecting tablet. That's like a Milton tablet, and also my mop thing. And those will come out a treat. They'll as new. And here's a last look at the kitchen. I'm so pleased. You guys can see the Pims there. Paul and I are going to partake in a bit of Pims because it's nice and warm. And that is it for this power hour. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.